Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, my fellow subscribers, viewers, audience, watchers, those who watch my content, those who listen to my voice out there. I'm grateful to God. I'm grateful to Divine Spirit, Universe, Cosmos, Planet Earth, and the elements. And I'm grateful to all the subscribers, all the audience, all the viewers, all the watchers. This is your host, Noor Ali. Right tools for right job. Remember, right tools for right job. Every job requires a tool. Every tool requires training, hands-on training. These tools are referred as hands tool, power tools, meters, uh, like Fluke, digital voltmeter, and other gauges to do the work. Right on. So we're going to move forward just like on the IBM and Lavono that I shared with you guys today. Okay. Now we're going to share something different. This is the world into Dell services. Same thing, services, training, and certifications, right? Same way I mentioned to you before. So Dell has a training program just like IBM, Lavono, and HP. I'm going to touch HP later. Let's talk about Dell. So in order to get Dell trained, Dell certified, you have to work for a national partner or a global partner or a local partner or a service maintenance provider. Let me repeat that word. Service maintenance provider. There are different kind of groups, plans, and programs within these OEM companies that you can get a part of. And as always, you have to have a high school education, you have to have an associate degree or a bachelor's degree. And you have to be tech savvy. You have to know how to work with your tools, with your hands. Basic common knowledge, basic common sense. You should own a car, a good car, and you should own a cell phone. Either have your own laptop, depending on the position that you look for. They might give you a laptop, and the pager and beeper dates are gone. So mandatory part of the skill today is owning a car, having a good driving record, having a good background, and owning a cell phone. This is the common standard, right? In the old days, they used to give us CDs of service manuals, product manuals, and instructions. Nowadays, everything is online. So your best friend, either you own a laptop or the company gives you a laptop. All right. Now, before we begin, it takes time. It's not overnight, right? So here are some certifications. You start with one. Each certification has its own credits, and you can. But remember, you have to be a service provider. You just cannot willy-nilly get this stuff. Okay, you have to be part of a company, part of a channel partner. This is just examples I'm giving you about Dell training. Okay, so what do certified engineers, a technician do? They replace parts, they break fix, they support customers either in depot environment or either in, so you can become a printer technician. You can do lots of things that you want to do, that you like to do, want to do. So in here you can get into the training program. This is called end user training right here, right? This is end user training. Then you can, there you go. A plus, network plus, security plus, and server plus. Very important to have. You can get into all this kind of training if you prefer, if you want. Okay? I am just giving you a way to show you that there are ways to get into the world of Dell. Okay? So here we have deployment services, technical support, field services, and extend. If you go into field services, I'm part of field service. Okay, used to be, not anymore. Okay, so you get part of the training. It's all part of a certification process. Okay, so this is the world of Dell. I'm gonna make a very short video on this, and I'm gonna just introduce to you. You can get there on your own. So we have here professional services, deployment services, support services, residency services, education service, managed services, technology and tool, premier, procurement and integration. Managed services is dedicated accounts. Okay. Then these are the place where you download drivers, all drivers on any Dell product, support and service contracts. If you have a contract, this is where you get manuals and documentation. These are all diagnostic tools. Self-repair parts, service requests and dispatch status, order parts, contact support, community. And then, of course, Dell is a big company. So we have right here, that's what they make. Look, right there. All different versions of Dell laptops. And then we have all the desktops in here. Then we have all the monitors in here. And of course, they're into gaming. And then you got into electronic accessories. And this is software. And this is workstation. Infrastructure. This is the product. Look, all server, storage, data protection. And then the networking, modular data center, AIOPs, and IT. And then we have workloads over here. Analytics, artificial intelligence, cloud solutions, data manage, edge solutions, high performance of computing, containers and Dockers and Kubernetes and security solutions, virtual desktop infrastructure. Industry, what do they cover? I think they cover everything. They cover digital cities, energy, climate action, federal government, finance, healthcare, higher education, K-12, retail, safety, security, and of course the government. Okay, now this is called Apex Compute, and then this is a storage side, this is a cyber side, this is cloud, VMware and other Azure and other platforms in there, and of course this is the device, and these are the resources. Now, you have to be part of a vendor. Ingram Micro is one of the big ones, and there are other companies. You can also call all these companies like HCL and Tata Consulting Service. They're all connected to Dell. They all buy parts from Dell, and they all have accounts. I'm just giving you an example, but your first steps, first step to open the doors in your life is what? High school graduate, 2 years degree, bachelor's degree, and A plus, server plus, network plus, security plus, and other certification that molds you, makes you an engineer, an analyst, a technician, installer. We can go into different fields, different trades. You can be a CCTV guy. You can be an alarm technician. I mean, so many things you can do out there. So many things. That's how I got my start 30 years ago. You know, I've been doing this for 30 years. I'm still doing it. I'm going to keep doing it. All right. So this is going to be a short video. And this information is out there. Okay. Share, learn, teach, and grow. 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 If you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe. As always, God bless you all. Thank you very much for watching my video, my content. And be safe. Take care of yourself. And enjoy your life. Mind, body, and soul. God bless you all. Thank you very much. Have a great day.